Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Prasad Programming and Technology. I'm Prasad, and today we have an exciting video lined up for you. We will be driving into the
Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are revolutionizing education by offering immersive learning experiences. AR overlays digital content onto the real world, while R creates a simulated environment. These technologies have the potential to transform the way students learn and engage with complex concepts. In the field of mathematics, R and VR can make counting and number recognition more interactive and enjoyable. Students can visualize and manipulate virtual objects to understand numerical concepts better. For instance, they can explore a virtual number line or user markers to count objects in their surroundings. These technologies provide a hands-on approach to learning, fostering deeper comprehension and retention. By incorporating R and VR into education, students can actively participate in their learning journey, resulting in increased motivation and better academic outcomes. These technologies have the power to make counting and mathematics an exciting adventure, opening up a world of possibilities for students to explore and master numerical skills. Thank you, everyone. If you want more like this, do subscribe and get notification by bell. I will be back with new topic. Bye-bye.